Let's go.
Good day, family. Here I am back at work. I think this is my double. And when I have my double, I like to record when I'm not busy. And sometimes I see little sights, some interesting sights, like this man here. He's like going back and forth, and I don't know what he's doing, but I just thought he looked a little interesting. And so I just decided to record him to see where he's going, why he's going, and this is just the time to just look out the window, and I'm surprised that it's still snowing. We are towards the ending of March, and we're still having blizzards and heavy snow, and like my client is sleeping right now. She's resting, so I decided to go look out the window. It's a very nice view when I look out this window, and sometimes I just see interesting things, like this man, for instance. So I decided to record him and see what's going on with him. And he's just going back and forth, and just, I don't know, hopefully he's warm. When I see him just walking back and forth, pacing like that, I just hope he's warm. I don't know if he's okay, if he's on something, or if he's drunk, or whatever, or if he's lost. I don't know what it is. But, hopefully he's okay. And yeah, so I'm just here in my client's room. And she's been in the hospital for about, I would say, almost a month now. She's been in the hospital, and so she still has the 24-hour care. She still has like us, me and my coworkers coming in to help with the staff. The hospitals, they don't have a lot of help. There's not a lot of help, and they're very busy. The nurses and the RNs and the PABs, they're very, very busy. So to get extra help for us to come in, I know it helps them a lot. So I still have the regular, the work that I did with my client, except I'm in a hospital with her now. So that's what's happening now. And yeah, and like I said, it's my double, and sometimes I know I have to really pretty much stay in the room that she's in. So I just try to entertain myself. I'll pray to God, read my Bible or whatever, or I'll, do a puzzle or something like that, or do my little drawing or something like that. If she's sleeping, of course. But when she's up, I try to keep her busy. We'll do a little drawing if she wants to, if she's up to it, or playing a little Scrabble, or if she's up to these things. Right now she's not well, so she's not doing the things that she did before, but every now and then she'll read the paper or something like that she does, or I'll try to have a little conversation with her, and things like that, just to keep her motivated and up. And this is the time that I just kind of take a breather while she's sleeping, and just to kind of recoup. I do a little exercise too when in her bathroom. She has a big bathroom, so I'll go in there and do my little exercise, jumping, and just try to keep myself awake and keep myself motivated, and so I can be an encouragement for when she's up. So let's look at a friend right now here. What is he doing? I think he's contemplating whether he should go over this fence or not. He's looking at it, like he's looking really closely at the fence. And I remember the last time I recorded, there was a man. If you've seen in the last couple of videos, I was at the hospital as well, and there was a man in a similar situation, and I was a little worried about him. And he found a hole in one of the fences here, and he went right through the hole. So maybe this guy will do the same thing. I don't know how he got there, but yeah, so he's looked like he's going to kind of climb over the fence. And yeah, and that's exactly what he's going to do. He's going to climb over the fence. And yeah, so that's what he's going to do. Oh, there he is. He's gonna make it. He's gonna make it. Yeah, I think so. Doesn't look like there's any barbed wire there on top there. No, he got it. He made it. There he goes. He made it. He's free. Free, free, free. Free at last. But look at this snow, guys. Wow. It looks like it's the first day of winter. Yeah, it looks like pretty busy out there. Look at those flakes. Big flakes too. Where did our friend go? Yeah, so look at that. It's a really snowy day. And like I said, it's the ending of March and we're still just doing lots of snow. And I don't think it's just here. I think everywhere, like all around the United States, it's snowing and all kinds of things happening. Very unusual things. Hopefully we'll have a long spring and a long summer. That would be amazing. I'm looking forward to it. I'm really missing to take my daughter out. I want to take her out and just help her to have a nice summer, because it looks like it's going to be a short one. A short spring and a short, hopefully maybe not. I'm having hope, guys. I'm having hope. This is the next day, guys. I started a fire in the house, and thank God Sister Bonnie and I got it out. Look at that, terrible. And that's the fire blanket that I had. Thank God I had that. Whew. Boy, was I scared. Here's the fire blanket, by the way. I'm going to be ordering some more of those for sure. Good morning, family. Sunday morning. And this is what my daughter and I are having. My daughter's having some chicken wings with fries, a salad, and yes, a pizza. So this is pretty much our last meal for the weekend, for our last meal together, I should say, until the next time she's here. And then this is my breakfast or brunch: eggs, some fruit, some hash browns, nice fluffy pancakes. Look how fluffy these pancakes are. Yum. And then we have some nice sausages. This is food that I should not be eating, but after I eat this, I'll have some sauerkraut. That usually helps to bring down the inflammation. So I'm going to have this. And yeah, it's going to be delicious. And then I have my little coffee there. I didn't even know they deliver coffee, which was amazing. Sister Bonnie also has one too. She has a coffee.
Yes. Oh, I'm having
Excuse the house, family. This is like family
hey,
weekend.
This is family time, fam. So I'm having 3 boiled eggs, half a banana, green apple, a radish, and some coffee.
Yes, lovely.
Yes, not black. I'm gonna put some rice milk in there.
Yeah, that's right. Hey, fam. So we're having our breakfast, and I have to work this morning, or this afternoon, I should say. We're working this afternoon, and I'm going to show you what happened to us last night. I was getting ready to make some tea, and I created a fire. I started a fire. Now, some of you family know that I did not buy an oven yet. I'm buying a small convectional oven, and I didn't get it yet. But I have a what do you call those stoves there? So I bought a hot plate. And I burnt the hot plate last night. I put an electrical pot on top of the hot plate, forgetting that the pot was there. Anyways, it's flammable. Those electrical pots are flammable. Excuse my daughter. And so I made a fire, and God willing, thank God that we got the fire out with this beautiful blanket that I have. So family, I highly recommend this First Response Fire Blanket. Came just in time, and I'll explain it to you a little bit later, but it was very, very good to have. And yeah, so we'll talk about that a little bit later, fam. Right now I'm gonna have my breakfast, and thank God that I'm still alive tonight, and my daughter too, and Sister Bonnie. So talk to you in a few minutes. Hey fam, I wasn't able to come back to you because my daughter was just wanting a lot of my attention. As you know, family, I don't see her often, so I said, let me just spend some time with her. I did some artwork with her. Anyways, I'm here back at work again, and this is called How People Walk. So I decided to just record how people walk, and so I thought it was interesting. He's running, so I'm just recording different people walking, how they walk, how they stroll. So this is my segment called How People Walk. So yeah, I was really trying to entertain myself at work. I've been doing a lot of doubles and just kind of working a lot, filling in for people, for my coworkers. So yeah, so I'm just pretty much entertaining myself when I finish doing my work, and with my clients taking a nap, I just kind of entertain myself because I really have to stay into the room to make sure she's well, she doesn't get out of bed, or she doesn't, fall or something like that, or anything right now because she's not well. And she's high in age, so I have to really make sure I take care and watch her very well. So I entertain myself when she's sleeping, and yeah, so this is my little segment called How People Walk at the train station. Oh, she made a U-turn. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing, and yeah, it was a good day today, and my client was not too bad in a bad mood. She was in a good mood. She was in good spirits, and we played a little. We did some art. She read her paper a little bit, and we had a little conversation. She was asking me where she was and things like that, and so she had a good day. It wasn't too bad today. So she's trying. She's a fighter, though. She's very feisty. She's very strong for her age. And, I combed her hair and just try to make her comfortable while she's here. And that's my job, to make her comfortable, make sure she's being well taken care of. And so that's what I'm here for. And so, and just make her days, have where she can have hope. I always let her remind her that she is going home. She's going home soon. Just so she, it's not easy being in a hospital. It doesn't matter how old you are. It's not easy being in the hospital. It's not easy, being out of your home and things like that. So, and I'm just boosting myself up, entertaining myself, encouraging myself so I can be strong for her. And yeah, so it's just different people walking at the train station on this snowy afternoon. And it was pretty chilly out there today too. It was chilly this morning. I usually take a lift, but when you come out, you can feel that wind blowing. Feels like a real winter day. Still can't believe it's the end of March. It's the ending of March. I can't believe it. Look at that. Still wearing our parkas and our boots and our scarves and our hats. It's unbelievable. Sometimes it's sunny, sometimes it's snowing, sometimes it's raining, sometimes it's windy, sometimes it's sunny. That's our weather. There's nothing you can do about it, but just make the best of it. Just make the best of it. That's it. Yeah, so that's basically it. Look at that. More people walking. He's looking around. Maybe he's waiting for the train. Oh, they're all going there. They're all getting on that train. Where they're going, I have no idea. But as long as they have a safe ride there, safe journey. I actually like this view that I have here. The hospital, we're actually on the 8th floor, so it's very interesting view. Very, very interesting view. So yep, these are just different people walking. And Everybody walks differently, eh? Some people stroll. Back home, making my dinner. Some people walk fast. Family, some people walk slow. Rice and some. There you go. Chicken. Yeah, I feel like some rice and some beans, and that's what I'm making now. So enjoy the video, family. Talk to you later.
Good blessed morning, family. Hope all is well today. Today is Thursday, almost 11 o'clock in the morning. I've been here at the hospital with my clients since 7:30 this morning, and I have a double tomorrow, which is Friday, and I have a double also on Monday. I'm not complaining, I'm just saying that God is definitely giving me the energy. Thank you, Lord Jesus, giving me the energy to just keep on going. I'm filling in for somebody. This is why I'm doing a double tomorrow. And today, actually, when I'm finished work today, I started in the morning, so I finished work in the afternoon. So today I'm going to be meeting Sister Bonnie. We're going to be going to Walmart because I'm going to be getting the fire blankets. As you can see, I had a fire. Okay, I had a fire in the house, which was very scary for me. I think this is the first time I've ever caught a fire like this before. We've all burnt pots and things like that, burned our pans and things like this, but this was literally a fire, flames, just shooting up. Thank God it didn't hit the counter. It didn't hit the bottom of the counter, or not the counter, but it didn't hit the cupboards, the cupboard door, because the hot plate was literally underneath the cupboard. So thank God. I was in a panic. I was literally crying. Sister Bonnie was there to console me. She's like, calm down. Everything's going to be all right. The Lord Jesus is with us. You're going to be all right. And then I was so concerned about my daughter in the next room. She was sleeping. I went in there to check on her while the fire was going, to go check on my daughter to see if she was okay. And she was calm. I said, Mommy's everything's okay. And she's sleeping. So she says like, yeah, okay. So I was happy that she was calm. So, and then I realized I had the fire blanket that I had ordered last year. Now this fire blanket, I was cleaning out. I usually have it by the stove, or beside the stove, like on the floor, right beside where everything is. Or not beside the stove, because I don't have a stove yet. Right beside the because I have a hot plate on the counter. Yeah, right beside. I have a little cabinet in the kitchen. And I was cleaning out that cabinet, and I pulled it out, and I was cleaning behind it, and I placed the blanket that same day in another area of the house in the hallway. And so when then I said to myself, make sure you put it back, but I didn't put it back. So when the fire started the same day. And then I was like panicking. I'm like, okay, what do we do? And then I realized, get the blanket. Where's the blanket? Okay, then I seen it was just right there, like a few feet away. So I went to get the blanket, pull it out, and then we sat it on top of the flames. And it's a miracle that the flames did not go that high. So it might have felt like it took a long time to figure out the blanket and everything else and the panic, but obviously it didn't take that long because we were able to contain the flames, and the smell after was so bad. Anyways, you see that the pot was burnt, and that was actually because I went to make a cup of tea and I put the electric pot on top of the hot plate. So that's what caused the explosion, or it was sort of like an explosion of the pot. So thank God. It just reminded me how fragile and very delicate this life is. Very delicate. And ever since that day, I've been so grateful to life. Even with my doubles, even with my meetings with my daughter, even with the volunteering, even with my busy lifestyle, I am so grateful to be alive. I am so grateful. And sometimes things like this really just puts you back into perspective, and you're like, okay, get back on track and be appreciative of your life. So yeah, so right now I'm here with my client, and then that's it. So family, be appreciative of your life, and yes, some things might be hard. So you might be going through some things that are just a little tough, but you're still here, and there's always hope. There's always hope. So we'll be vlogging while we're together at Walmart today. Sister Bonnie, obviously, she's at work too. So we're gonna meet up after work. I finished a little bit earlier than her. She's gonna be finishing around 5-ish. So we'll meet there. The store's closed at 9, so we have plenty of time. So we're definitely going to get that blanket today. So I ran out. I had 2 blankets. There's 2 that comes in the package. So we're gonna let you know, and we're gonna also. I don't know if I'm going to show you how it's used, but you can go online and find out how to use it. But I'm going to show you what the blanket is. But it's a very important thing to have that. Don't take it for granted. Get that blanket as soon as you can. And because it really did work. I mean, all you do is take the blanket, open it up, and just put it right on the flames. So I was really grateful to have that. Okay, family. So I'm going to get back to my client, and she's doing well today. She's We got her into the chair and she's sitting there and she's right beside the window. So, and it's a little bit sunny today. It's supposed to snow again, but right now we're gonna enjoy the sun. So this is the sun. It's a little bit sunny today. Yeah, we got some blue skies. It's a little bit bright outside. This morning was snowy, as you could see the ground there. Still some snow on the ground. We are March the 26th and we're still having snow. I think we're supposed to snow again this evening. So we're just gonna enjoy this little bit of sun that's showing right now, nice and bright, and enjoy that for now. So I'll see you later, family. Hope that you're all doing well today.
So you going to room 11 instead? Yeah. Hi, Tamara. Sorry, I'm working from the north side. So my bed 11, okay, you don't go to change
So family, I'm taking my water break. It was a busy morning, very busy, but I'm halfway there. Matter of fact, I'm more than halfway there. I have about an hour and a half left. More like 2 hours left, almost 2 hours left. So I'm just enjoying my water until it's time to leave. I'll see you in a few. I'll see you at Walmart with Sister Bonnie.
Villa Maria. Station Namur.
I have to say, family, sometimes I'm happy I don't drive because, I mean, the traffic out here is amazing. It's something else. And also, people are so angry now at the rush hour. They're beeping at each other. One beeps at each other. Another one beeps. Then another beeps a lot louder. Then they beep 2-3 times. And then another beep 5 times. Like over beeping themselves, and it's just ridiculous. Sometimes I'm happy that I take the bus and the trains and things like that. The city transportation. It's a lot easier for me. I'm not fighting with the people on the road. There are pros and cons of driving. I know that, but I never had that real strong desire to drive. And when I see these people fighting on the road, I'm glad. It just makes me feel a little bit better. So yeah, I'm on my way to Walmart here, as you can see. I'll be waiting for Sister Bonnie. She's still at work. I think she'll be leaving soon though, in a few minutes. She said she'll be leaving a little bit earlier today than she thought. And I'll be shopping around, family, for the fire blankets. And I'll be showing you guys them as I shop around. They may have different names, so I'm gonna see anyways. But I'm definitely gonna get them. I went online to see if they sell them, and apparently they do. And if they don't, I'll just have to order them on Amazon. So here I go, family. See you in a few. It's a cloudy day today. The cloud came out. So they didn't have the blanket, family, so I'm gonna have to order them on Amazon. I decided to tell Sister Bonnie not to meet me. This doesn't make it. She's just finishing work anyway. She needed to stay a little bit later. So I told her, you know what, just stay there, go home. She lives pretty far anyways from the job. And I'm gonna go home, have something to eat, and I'll order the blankets online. I should have known that anyway. She said, Sister Bonnie told me that sometimes, even although they might show you something on Walmart that they have, a lot of times you have to order it online. So that's what happened there. That's how it is today, family. Anyways, I'm going to end this video. Hope that you're all doing well. I'm going to hurry up and get home on this rainy day. And hopefully it'll be the last time of snow this week. I'm hoping and praying. No, I won't do this. I don't believe in this. No. Never mind the fingers. I'm hoping and praying that there will be no more snow. Okay, family. Take care. Be a blessing. Be blessed. And I love you guys. See you next time on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and press on that notification bell. Love you guys. Bye.